Now, as you learned from the question that we have two circles of different radius 19 and 9 centimeter, and we have to find the radius of that circle, which can be formed by adding the circumferences of these two circles. So let this radius we meant R1 and this radius we meant R2. We take R2. Now, what is the formula for circumference of a circle? Formula is 2 pi r. Now, net circumference is equal to the sum of the circumferences of both of the circles. So, net circumference is equal to circumference of the both of the circles. Now, we can put the formula over here. Let the capital R be the radius of the circle, which we can make by combining these two circumferences with capital R. So we write 2 pi r in place of radius. Now for C1 we can write 2 pi r1, and for C2 we can write 2 pi r2. Okay? When r1 and r2 are the two different radius of the two circles. Now we can take common 2 pi as a here. So it is r1 plus r2, and here it is 2 pi r. Now 2 pi and 2 pi get cancelled. So r is equal to r1 plus r2. So which is equal to 19 plus 9, and which is equal to 28 centimeter. So the radius of the circle which is formed by adding the circumferences of the two circles. So the new circumference is equal to sum of the two circumferences of the circles, and we have to find the radius for that circumference, which we can easily find out in a very simple way. So this is the question number 1 of your textbook of exercise number 12.1.